This is how to play How Excellent Is Your Name. I don't know the original key of the song, but in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing it, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, how excellent is your name. How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name, Jesus. Okay, let's break it down. So on the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Okay, it starts right here. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major chord. Okay, this is C sharp major. So from 1, it goes to number 4, second inversion, which is this chord. This is our number 4, a second inversion. It is also known as F sharp major, second inversion. Okay, from 1, it goes to 4. From 4, it goes to 2, second inversion, which is this chord. I believe everyone can see these chords. This is 2, second inversion, also known as D sharp minor, second inversion. From 2, it goes to this chord, which is C sharp major, second inversion. It is also our number 1, but it's a second inversion. Okay. From here, it goes to 5, which is this chord. This is our number 5. It is also known as G sharp major chord. I said it's 1, 4, 2, 1, 5. Okay, this is where it says, how excellent is your name. Okay, so from 5, you're gonna go to 4, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, you go to 4. From 4, you play 1. From 1, you're gonna play an F major first inversion, which is this chord. Okay, it is built by A. Okay, this is A. It is built by A, C, and F. I believe everyone can see it. This is F major first inversion. Okay, after 1, you play an F major first inversion. Let me start again. I said it's how excellent is your name. And then to 4, how excellent, and then you play F major first inversion is, and then you go to 5. From 5, you're gonna play number 6, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, I believe everyone can see it. This is A sharp minor, second inversion. A sharp minor, second inversion. Okay, so you're gonna introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, on the left, you're gonna play 3. Okay, you play number 3. When you go to 4, also on the left, you go to 4. You stay on number 4 until you play 2, 1. When you hit number 5, on the left, you also change, you go to 5. I'm gonna do it again for the last time. It's 3 when you hit the first chord on the right, and then 4, 5. And then you're gonna play 4. When you go to 1, also on the left you change, you go to 1. When you play an F major first inversion, on the left you change, you go to F. Sorry, you go to A. This is A. Okay? Or you can just call it a flat 5. Okay, because we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, a flat 6. Okay, it's not a flat 5, it's a flat 6. Let me do it again for the last time. It's 3 on the left, 3, 4, 5, 1, and then you come to A, you stay there until you play 5, and then you go to 6. Okay, so from 6, you're gonna play your number 1 second inversion. From number 1 second inversion, you go to 2, back to 1, and then 5, 1, and then you play this chord. Okay, this is our number 2. Okay, it's D sharp minor, but it's a first inversion. From here, from 2, you go to number 1 first inversion. Okay, I'm gonna do it again for the last time. After playing an F major first inversion, you play 5, you go to 6. From 6, you go to 1, and then 2, back to 1, 5, 1, 2, 1. Okay, on the left, you're gonna play a flat 6, 6, right? And then when you wait until you play 1. When you hit 2 on the left, you also go to 2, and then you go to 5. You stay there until you play, and then you change. You go to 1 when you hit the last chord. Then let's play the whole thing. I'm gonna play it slow. I said on the left it's 3, 4, 5, 1, A, 6, 2, 5, 1. One last time.